I heard this was the most exclusive lounge in town.
Hi, Charlie.
Oh, for me?
Yes, welcome to Laguna Beach.
Proud to be here. Thank you so much. How are you guys? Cheers.
Cheers, welcome.
Cheers. You're doing it right.
That's what we do in Laguna Beach.
Seeing the beach right there. I've been dying to see this
All
tour.
right, let's go check it out.
This is just gorgeous.
And this is the heart of the home.
This is the heart of Laguna Beach right here. Oh my goodness, I feel like we're on a ship right now, cruising out in the ocean.
Yes, that is the vibe we were going for. This house is over 100 years old, and we wanted to keep the character of it.
You really nailed it. I love how alive the ocean is. From touching the door handle, and I said, hold on, that's an octopus's tentacles I'm pushing on right now. It's crazy to see all those elements in here, and it makes this design really pop. I can't believe this house is over 100 years old.
Yes, I know, and we love it. We've definitely upgraded and tried to make it as comfortable as possible, and we love it, and we love that we can share it with everybody.
And what's really cool is you have a garage, which is like one of the toughest things to find out here, right?
Especially here, yes.
You have a really private feel to the entrance here, and then you have different ways to stay. Downstairs, that's a
Yeah, it's a
little far.
studio, complete. It's a kitchen, it has its own bathroom, so it is separate from the actual house. And you can see the ocean, even from the studio.
I think you could see the ocean from every inch of the house.
Yeah.
So let's break down these bedrooms.
Yes, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and we have 2 bedrooms upstairs. They share a bathroom, full bathroom. Then down on the main level, we have a bedroom with its own ensuite, a full bath, and off of the kitchen, we have a powder room.
That powder room back there is the octopus garden that the Beatles were talking about, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
That is so cool. And the counter, that's the thing about your design work. You pick all these things
you.
that really just pop. One thing we know about Laguna Beach, the arts are
my gosh,
friggin'
yes.
nuts out here, right? So the
Yes.
art scene's thriving, and you really play into it. And then you have all the folks that actually want to get into the action in the ocean, some of the best surf in the world.
And beautiful beaches. And it's just a few minutes walk right down the street. It's just got everything you could want. So bring your walking shoes and enjoy this beautiful city.
And what I love is when you get here, you have everything covered for people in the kitchen.
Yeah, we were trying to make it so people could come if they're traveling from far away and they want to, make dinner for their family. They don't have to worry about anything. So we tried to fully stock the kitchen with everything you can need, from baking to cooking to having a turkey dinner here if you want,
Absolutely.
It's endless.
Did it with style too. The people turned into a crustacean with the oven gloves. They saw the lobster claw.
Hey, you gotta have the vibe,
It's incredible. And I could just imagine you cook a dynamite dinner, pour a little martini, glass of wine, and take that meal outside, because this is just perfection.
All right, let's go check it out. Come on. Cheers. Dinner is served.
I think the coolest thing, when people come here, that wheel speaks volumes, because they're the captain of their own journey right here.
That's right. There's the ship.
And Captain, cheers from your first mate, because you've done it right here.
Thank you, Charlie.
Thank
Cheers.
you.